We are filming Cast in Steel, a competition where we challenge student teams to make some type of an article and then test those articles and ultimately see who has the best combination of the use of the casting and engineering process, of alloy design, and ultimately performance of that weapon to determine who the ultimate winner is. It's really not about the winner. This is about getting into the hearts and minds of all of the students here, into everyone in this country, to understand, to believe again that manufacturing is cool. And you're gonna see on film a lot of cases where students are gonna be very disappointed because their weapons failed. That's also part of this. We learn through failure. We as engineers, we study failure. They are learning now in a safe space in this competition what things they have to look at. They have to go back and understand why that failure occurred so they can make sure it doesn't happen again. That's what we do as engineers. Manufacturing is what made this country great. Our manufacturing might is how we won World War II. After the attack on Pearl Harbor, almost every single one of those ships that was hit or sunk during Pearl Harbor was raised back up and went back out into the battle. We have to come back to that. Our job is to deter a conflict from ever happening to begin with, making sure that everyone in the world who is potentially our adversary knows and understands that America is ready to respond. Well, in order to do that, we need people. We need a lot of people in manufacturing. Manufacturing is a career. It is important. We went through a reinvestment cycle every 30 years. This goes all the way back to the Industrial Revolution. Every 30 years, we reinvest, and that was one of the big investments that we made in World War II. The next time we should have made a major capital investment in this country to secure our future was around the 1980s. We didn't do that. We are turning back to building America, to building manufacturing might in this country. We are going to onshore jobs that are gonna come here. We are gonna re-build industrial might. You are important, and you can do something, not just for yourself, that you can do something for your country.
What your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country.
Every single student in this competition is gonna learn something. They're either gonna learn something because their weapon failed or it didn't make the cut to make it into the finals, right? And that's a opportunity for them. Someday, these students are gonna be the students who design and build your automobiles, who inspect your bridges, who build tanks that defend the country. That's what this is about. That's the opportunity that you see for these students. They are the future of America.